guys, Dustin with Custom Offsets here. Today I'm here with Rainey.
Yep.
And you guys were asking for it, so we're bringing it to you. We're rating our employee rides. But today we thought we'd kick it a nickel, and we actually brought in some special guests. Today, I'm joined by Gels and Dakota from Fitment Industries. So we're gonna come at you, have some car guys
Scoot that way.
rate slash roast our trucks, I guess.
Let me see these dirty dangus.
Let's do it. All right, so up first is Jerry's 2015 Chevy Silverado, 1500 of course. He is on a 7-inch rough country Vertex coilover kit. He's on 24x14 Archon Roosevelts in chrome.
Jesus.
And a 35 by 15.5-inch Venom Power Terra Hunter XT tire.
Okay. Yeah, I don't run tires like this on the Focus, believe it or not. But one thing I want to do is check the fitment test rate quick and see, okay, does not pass the shoe test. This fitment's bunk, first of all. Second of all, looking at all these trucks, I know we're focusing on this one, but it's kind of like, hey, you can copy my homework, just change it up a little bit, and that's kind of what we got for the line of trucks here. I don't know, what do you think, Gels? What do you like about it? Not much?
Truck stuff.
Yeah, a bunch of truck stuff here, all right.
I do like the wheels. I think the wheels look really good on there.
Got Archons?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're freaking wide. Look how far out they stick past.
This just blows my mind, right? Because like we do this in the car world, like that's a sin. You can't do that. This is like sought after. It just blows my mind.
Spike lugs here. So when you're cleaning, you accidentally poke yourself a little bit. All right, I like that.
Okay.
I don't know. It's like a big old K on there. I mean, the paint looks like it has some orange peel. So maybe it was rusty in a previous life, and then they just kind of fixed her up a little bit. I mean, you'll have that on some of these bigger jobs.
Well, let me know when you guys are ready. I'll give you a 3, 2, 1 and you can rate it.
Alrighty, I'm gonna be nice though. I get this truck stuff going on here,
I'm ready.
Ready?
Yeah, I got it.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
7. Oh, 6. Joe doesn't have much to say, but when it came to rating, he's like, yo, f this truck. This thing sucks. All right,
this thing.
let's move on to the next one. What else we got?
Up next is Nick's 2011 Ford F-150. He's on a 6.5-inch McGoy's suspension lift with some other goodies in there. He's on 2414s as well. Those are the Archon Caesars in chrome, and he's on a 35 13.5 R24 amp mud terrain Attack MT tire.
Okay, Caesars. You put a pizza in there. Hot and ready. I noticed a trend. Polished wheels, and you gotta have the spiky. What's with the spiky? Can you guys explain this to me? What is this about?
I can't explain it. I don't run them.
You don't? Okay. Oh, so Moby Dick over there doesn't have the spike. No harpoons on the whale.
No, it's
got
not
it.
a narwhal.
So check it out. I see it right away, and I got excited because this one.
Oh yeah.
We got good rust in there.
Someone's got to get it in there.
Oh! Yeah, no, you don't want those chips, brother. No good. So that's sick. That's nice. That's something you want to see in a good old Midwest truck. Looking at it from the front, we spruced up the headlights a little bit, but still looks like everybody's dad's F-150 with a lift kit on it. Then you got the wheel lights. Big light guy. Big light guy.
I like the lights.
You like the lights?
I like the lights.
Okay, good. Someone does.
Okay.
And then, again, we got just your whole wheel is almost outside the fender here, so.
That's those 2-inch adapters doing the
let's
God's
check.
work.
Oh, God. Oh, yeah.
So you didn't notice this, did you?
No, the lights are blinding me.
No.
Oh.
Count.
Is that why you put the lights on there?
Holy sh**.
The
1,
spacers?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What the hell? So, I mean, this one's a little rusty. I'm sure it's trusty though, you know.
Oh yeah.
The longer I look at it, the more rust I'm oh my
How
God.
many miles does this have, Nick? 247,000.
Yeah, it shows it.
But it doesn't look terrible though for the amount of miles though.
Yeah, I
Like, it
guess.
is, but it isn't.
You're right. I like the wheel trace on this one. It does look good. It looks pretty aggressive. I feel like the front end's kind of boring besides the headlights.
Are you guys ready to rate it?
I'm ready.
All right. We're
Do
late.
it.
Go wait for the marching band to go by.
Trumpet.
That's a trombone.
Trumpet.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
7.
Gels. Brother.
You're going downhill. I mean, they had a lot of rust, so
It might be Dakota being just too generous.
Before Gels was like, dude, I can't roast trucks, bro. I'm not good at it. And they just like 6.
I give my honest rating. I just
Damn.
Brother.
All right, up next is Bailey's truck. It's a 2010.
Yep.
Yes, 2010 Chevy Silverado 1500, 8-inch super lift kit with the king coilovers, 2414 Caesars again, and 13.5 amp mud terrain tires. So very similar setup to the last truck we looked at.
Okay.
Hell yeah. Okay, so one thing before we start on this, camera guy, you got to follow. My favorite thing about this truck is that Bailey owns it. And Bailey looks exactly like the kid from Recess. Exactly, and that's my favorite thing about the entire truck. So besides that, now that we got that out of the way, we can take a look at the truck. I feel like he's not sticking out as far as the other guys.
No.
He's talking
No
a little bit
spacer.
of a tire. That's good.
No spacers. Okay.
Here we go, though.
Okay.
We got Caesar. They're black. Again, these spike lug nuts, whoever's making those must be making the most money in the world because every single truck except Moby Dick has them. Now, I thought this was pretty clean at first looking at it, but then what the f happened? What's even at this height that just hit specifically like that spot? Someone shoot at you? This is pretty ghetto. I won't poke it too hard. It's okay. I'll go back to recess. So what happened to the 7-inch tips? Coffee cans.
Those are expensive, my dude.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
They
Spent all
cost
the
a
money
lot.
on spike lug nuts.
They got too hype. Everyone kind of backed off and
Yeah, exactly.
drove the price up.
It's like airlift, you know.
Oh, okay. Yeah. The big guy, 27. All right.
Flex fuel, buddy 85 in there. That's something.
Stock.
I feel like all these trucks at this point are just the same, it's just different colored stuff. Truck guys are the new Honda guys. I've never seen more spikes on a vehicle than looking at trucks. What are you trying to hit deer and tenderize the meat right away, or what's the point of this? Rainey, you got answers for me or what?
I've never hit a deer, but I feel like if you were to hit a deer, it might stick to the grill.
Well, then you got the light bar up here, so that way you can see which deer you're hitting. Overall, now to be nice about it, let's see, we got the murdered out theme going for it. I'm not a big fan of the spike things all over it. I feel like you drive this truck to Hot Topic or something, but.
Gels, anything else?
Nah, man. I guess like what would be the next step for a truck guy?
Yeah, is this completely done,
Like,
or
is
is
it
there
done?
more
Is
you can
it?
do?
Like, wasn't it like a supercharger? Like, is that?
You could. Bailey's talked about it.
Okay.
but
Okay.
Well, don't talk about it, be about it.
Damn.
Okay, so we got vagina door, spikes everywhere. I'm ready to rate
You
it.
do have a matching door on the other side too.
Wait, the other doors are
There's
also-
some- they're symmetrical.
What the f are you doing?
You have to make it symmetrical.
Make it symmetrical. Okay, alrighty, I'm ready to rate it.
Ready to rate it?
Yeah,
3, 2, 1.
6.5.
Gels, have you rated anything besides
than
a
a
6?
6.5?
It's number of the beast, dude. Joe's angry. He's just building it all. I'm excited for the next one.
All right.
Moby Dick. All right, so now we have my truck, which is a 2012 Ram 2500, 8-inch McGoy's lift kit, 2.5-inch leveling kit in the front, 2414 Triumphs in chrome with 40 by 15.5 Furies,
Okay.
and a bunch of other little trinkets and odds and ends sprinkled throughout.
Not the stock color.
Nope, it is not the stock color.
Wrap?
It is wrap.
Why'd you wrap it?
I don't know. White's just.
I mean, my Focus is white, but like the gray looked good on here. I would have left the gray.
Yeah, but now you
could've-
get the headlights to pop and the taillights.
It's true.
Oh, so you literally spent 5 days wrapping this so your headlights would look cool?
They look good, don't they?
I mean, I
$1,400
guess.
bucks,
but
they look pretty
Christ,
damn good.
brother.
We got any?
All right, so
how many spikes?
we got the Archon Sync
spikes.
Dreams. We got the Ghost trailer. We got the old moose horns up. Okay. This is so big.
It just keeps going.
Yeah, what the hell? We could park the Focus in the bed of this thing.
We probably should.
I gotta admit, this is probably my favorite one out of the bunch.
I would agree.
I do like it. It's a big bitch. It's a tank. Yeah. But we all know Fitment Industries is where it's at, because even your boy with the best truck's wearing a Fitment Industries shirt. You got your special LED headlights you got going on.
Okay.
What are these for?
Towing.
Towing? What are you towing?
Tow hooks, my guy.
Oh, okay.
Towing hooks.
For yanking.
You big tow guy?
Big
Huge tow guy.
Big toe. Just ease into it.
What percent of tin you have on your spray paint?
That's 5 over 2 layers of 20.
What the f? Why? You don't want to see out? That's insane. What the f is the point of the windows? You might as well plasti dip them, brother. The wrap job's pretty decent, but you start getting a little sketchy around.
Yeah,
certain
so
parts. I don't know
had
about
that
all
wrapped
this.
right, had to adjust the bumper, and the bumper fell, and it scuffed all the vinyl up.
Now you gotta patch this,
Yeah, like I said,
and patch this.
nah, it'll be all right.
This ain't got no steps.
Nope.
How you get
What
in
the
there?
hell?
You jump.
Dakota, I want to see you get in
have
there.
the hops.
I want to see you get in there.
All right, watch this shit. I'm literally probably gonna rip my can't. How the f?
You get used to it, dude.
You have like a height requirement to get in this thing?
Jump in there.
I feel like a little kid.
Come on now, get in Dad's truck.
Yeah, that's fun to do every single time you get in your vehicle. Okay. It's dark as f in here. What are you building, a coffin? Let me just hop down here. Hopefully I break my f ankles. God damn.
Oh,
These
God.
truck guys are weird. Alrighty, let's rate it.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
9.
Damn.
Wow.
I'm really fine.
It'd be a 10 if the wrap job wasn't like Elmer's glue spread all over it.
3M, send me more wrap with actual adhesive on it.
Why are we talking into our microphone?
For emphasis. Emphasis! Nice trucks, boys.
Thanks, Dads.
Well, that has been rating or roasting or something.
It was cool looking at the same 3 trucks and then one white one.
Right. If you guys want to look at other trucks, you can check those out. customoffsets.com/gallery.
Wheel tire suspension, fitmentindustries.com if you
No,
have a
we're
car.
on
like
Custom
a normal,
Offsets,
oh,
bro.
All right.
If you guys want to see us roast their cars, you can check that out on Fitment Industries YouTube channel. And also, if you want to see some more content between both channels, let us know down in the comment section below.
Bye. I'm gonna go get some boots, some tall boots so I can get in Rainy's truck easier. That shit's reckless. I think I threw my back out.
Bye, Dakota.
Bye.